In this video, we're going to find the solution of a system graphically with our TI Inspire calculator. Before you begin this video, copy down these instructions and then we will go through and work an example. Pause the video at this time and copy down the instructions. First it says selection B is graph, then the menu key. Then 3, graph entry / edit. Then 2, equation, then 1, line. Then use selection 1 or 3. Then return to menu. That is, we're going to loop back and do this again for the second line. It's a system. We have 2 lines to deal with. Then we go menu again, then 6, analyze graph, and then 4, intersection. Our last step will be to set the left and right bounds. Alright, let's see if we can now solve a system using this process. We're now going to use our instructions to graph the system y equals 4x plus 10 and 100x plus 200y equals 6,000. I've chose this particularly large coefficients of x and y in constant term in the second equation so that we can see what it looks like when the graph is off of the normal screen. Alright, so we begin with B, graph, selection B. Then it brings us to our grapher in the scratch pad. We select menu. Then number 3, graph, entry, and edit. Then 2 for equation. Then 1 for line. So we one time again we say 3, 2, 1. All right, that should be pretty easy to remember. Then we use selection 1 or 3. We'll notice 1 is the slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b, and 3 is standard form, ax plus by equals c. Well, our system, we have both of these, so we'll be able to employ both. So I hit 1 for slope-intercept form. It gives me the form with a blank box for both of the parameters m and b. So in our case, our slope is 4, and that goes in the first box. And then the second box, our y-intercept is 10. And it graphs the line 4x plus 10. We can see that the y-intercept is slightly off of our viewing window, but we can see a positive slope. Now we want to graph this second one. So we return to menu and repeat. We loop back here and we go menu, then 3, 2, 1 again. 3, 2, 1. This time we're going to use selection 3, a line in standard form. The second equation is in standard form. I select 3. It asks me for the coefficient of x, which is 100 in our case. Then the coefficient of y, which is 200 in our case. And then our constant value, which is 6,000. I hit enter and it graphs, and as you can tell, we couldn't see that second line. It was off the screen. Alright, if one or both of them are off the screen, that is, we cannot visually see the point of intersection, we will go menu, 4 for zoom, and then A at the bottom says zoom fit. Now it fits the viewing window so that we can see the point of intersection. We can visually see our point of intersection there. Alright, once we can see that point of intersection, we will go menu, 6 for analyze graph, 4 for intersection, and then we're going to set the left and right bounds. This is very easy. You can see the dashed line there. You simply move it anywhere to the left of our point of intersection. So right now we're on the left of it. Anywhere here will be fine. You hit enter. Then it says upper bound. You will move the dashed line to the right of your point of intersection. We have bounded our point of intersection below and above xy's, that is to the left and the right. I hit enter. Then it gives you the point of intersection. If you can't quite see it, you can grab your equation here, grab it, and then drag it. Dragging my label, hit enter, and now I can better see my point of intersection, which is 4.44, comma 27.8. Alright, use this process and practice a couple on your own.